Hello children, today we are going to see 3-digit subtraction. 3-digit subtraction. Example 1. The short way of subtract is like this. Okay, we have to subtract like this short way. Now I am teaching. First of all, you have to write hundreds, tens, ones. Now what we are going to subtract 320 minus 110. 320 minus 110. Remember, always like addition, you have to start from the ones place. Step 1. Step 1 will be subtract the ones. Subtract the ones. Subtract the ones means what is here? 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay, so you are writing 0 here. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Next you have to subtract tens please. 2 minus 1. 2 in your mind, 1 on your finger. Before. Subtraction means you have to tell before numbers. Before 2, 1. So the answer is 1 in tens place. When you subtract 2 minus 1 tens will come. So you are writing 1 here. Next, third step. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds place. In hundreds place, what is there? 300 minus 100. How much? 3 minus 1? 3 in your mind, 1 on your finger. Before 3, 2. So what is the answer? 300 minus 100 is 200. So in hundreds place 2 is there. So we call it as 200. So 320 minus 110 is equal to 210. We will solve some related sums now. Yes, see now exercise I will do. 8 minus 4. 8 in your mind, 4 on your finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Next, 6 minus 2. 6 in your mind, 2 on your finger. Before 6, 5, 4. 5 in your mind, 3 on your finger. Before 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 244. 565 minus 324 is 244. Always remember, like addition only you have to start from the ones place. Always subtract from the ones place. First you have to subtract one place, then tens place, then only hundreds place. And in subtraction, main thing is you have to tell before numbers. Before numbers you have to count. When you keep it in mind and fingers, you have to count before numbers. Okay. Next. Hundreds, tens, ones. Always write 100, tens, ones and write your sums. Okay. 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 is how much? 2 minus 0 is 2. So you are writing 2 here. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is how much? 9 in your mind, 8 on your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 here. 4 in your mind, 3 on the finger. Before 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 112. The answer is 112. When you subtract 492 minus 380, the answer will be 100. Next we will see 3-digit subtraction with regrouping of tens. With regrouping of tens. Example 2. Subtract 457 from 782. Subtract 457 from 782. Always you have to write, as I told, hundreds, tens, ones place you have to write. 782 we are writing here and 457 we are writing down. See, from this number. So from this number means this number you have to write up and this number you have to write it down. See here, always subtract from ones place. So step 1, subtract the ones. See here in ones place 2 and 7 is there. 2 and 7. From 2 you can subtract 7. From 2 can you subtract 7? No, you cannot. You cannot. If you count also, how it will go? No, 2 in your mind, 7 on your finger. Before 2, 1, 0, you can't count. So what you have to do? What you have to do? You can't take 7 from 2. You cannot take away 7 ones from 2 ones. You cannot take. So what you have to do is, you have to borrow. You have to borrow 1 tens from the tens place and put it in the ones place, and you have to minus 1. Minus 1 tens. Okay. So what it will become? Change 1 tens to 10 tens. Okay. You have to change 1 tens to 10 tens. So what it will become? 12 it will become. 1 to 12 it will become. 2 will become, when you add 10 to this, it will become 2. 12. Then what you have to do? 8, what you are doing? You are taking 10. 8 tens. From 8 tens, 1 10 you are taking. So what it will become? It will become 7. Okay, it will become 7 here. It will become 7 here. Next, what you will do? Subtract 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. Next, see here, in 8 you have taken 1 tens. 8 tens you are taking 1 tens, means it will become 7 tens. So 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. And here see 7 minus 4 is 3. So the third step is you have to subtract 100 place. Remember children, don't get confused. See here, from 2 you can't take 7. From 2 you can't take 7. So what you are doing? You are borrowing 10 ones. 10 ones. 1 tens from the 1 tens. 10 ones, no. 1 tens from the tens place. And you are putting to this 2. From 2 ones plus 10, 1 tens is nothing but 12. So you are writing 12 here, and this 8 will become 7. Why? From this 8 only you have given 1 tens. From 8 tens only 1 tens you are given here to the ones place. So here you have to subtract 1 tenth. So it will become 7 tenths. So here you are writing 7. Understood? Then you can subtract it normally. We will do some example sums now. Exercise sums. See here, ones place you have to subtract 7, 8. From 7, 8 you can subtract? No, you can't subtract. So what you will do? You have to borrow 1 tens from tens place, and you have to put 1 here, and you have to write before number. You have to write before number here. Before number means 5. 1 you are giving here. So you are writing before number here. 1 if you subtract, what will happen? Before number only will come here. Okay. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 tens minus 1 10 is 5 tens. So you are writing 5 tens here. Now you subtract 17 minus 8. How much? 17 in your mind, 8 on your finger. Before 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So you are writing 9 here. 5 minus 2. 5 in your mind, 2 on your finger. Before 5, 3. Before 5, 4, 3. Before 5, 4, 3. So you are writing 3 here in tens place. 5 in your mind, 2 on the finger. Before 5, 4, 3. So you are writing 3 here. So the answer is 339. Same way you have to do this sum also. 3 here. See here, 493 minus 169. From 3 you can take 9. From 3 you can take 9. No, you can't take 9. So what you will do? What we have to do? We have to borrow 1 tens and put it in the ones place. So it will become 13, and 1 as you have given here, 1 tens you have given to the ones place. What it will become? You have to write before number. You have to subtract 9 minus 1. So it will become 8, or else before number you can write. Always remember, you have to, it will be before number only. Okay. Now you subtract 13 minus 9. 13 in your mind, 9 on your finger. Before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 4 here. 8 minus 6. 8 in your mind, 6 on your finger. Before 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So you are writing 2 here. 4 minus 1. 4 in your mind, 1 on the finger. Before 4, 3. So the answer is 324. 493 minus 169 is nothing but 324. Okay. I hope you all understood this concept. Now I will show you how to write and subtract. How to write and subtract I will show you. See here. Write in column and subtract. Write in column and subtract means hundreds, tens, ones you have to write. And see here 164. How you are writing? 100 you are putting in hundreds place. 6 tens you are putting in tens place, and 4 ones you are putting in ones place. 29 how you will write? 29 you will write here? Can you write here? 2 and 9, can you write here? No, you can't write. You can't write. 2 is not hundreds place. 2 is not in the hundreds place. This 2 is not 102. This is tens place. So you have to write in tens place. So 29, how you will write? 2 in tens place and 9 in ones place, because 2 tens and 9 ones this is. So you will write in tens place and ones place. Don't do that mistake. Common mistake is many children will write 29. You will start from here and you will write. You should not do that. This 29 is nothing but 2 tens and 9 ones. So in that place only you have to write. Now you have to subtract. You have to subtract. See here, from 4, 9 will go. Oh no, you can't do that. So what you will do, you have to borrow. So if you are borrowing from 6, here 1 will be added. So 14 it will become, and you have to write before number for this 6. 6 minus 1 if you do, it will become 5. So now you subtract. 14 minus 9. 14 in your mind, 9 on your finger. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So the answer is 5 here. 14 minus 9 is 5. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 in your mind, 2 on the finger. Before 5, 4, 3. So here the answer is 3 tenths. 5 tenths minus 2 tenths is nothing but 3 tenths. Here see, 1 is there, nothing is there. So this one you can write it like that only. It means nothing is there means 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1 only. 1 minus nothing also 1 only. Okay. Understood? I hope you all understood how to subtract by regrouping, without regrouping and with regrouping also, subtraction of the 3-digit number. We will see in the next class with different subtractions. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.